Welcome to this tutorial series on a new module, Jahia Starter Templates. This is part 2, where we'll talk about publishing the page we created in part 1. Now that we're done with the initial setup, we can publish the page. We click the Publish Page button and proceed through the workflow. If we go to the live site, we see that only the content has been published. None of the image assets or CSS are on display. Scrolling up, we can see the banner which alerts us to the fact that our CSS assets have not been published. We follow the link to our assets folder and publish the assets, much in the same way we publish the page. We also publish the images. If we return now to the live site and hit refresh, we can see that the site is leveraging the CSS and image assets on the page. That's it for part 2. Join us in part 3, where we'll discuss how to turn this page into an editable experience using Jahia attributes and content placeholders. Thanks for watching.